Oh man, this woman's hair is just freaking awesome. Can I get a picture of you? Can I take your picture?
Me?
Yeah, you've got beautiful hair.
Aww.
I mean, you don't have hair like that without people telling you and I just walk around the city taking pictures like a street photographer. So it's nothing weird or anything, but you just got beautiful hair, so awesome. Matter of fact, here.
I ain't got no makeup on.
No, you don't need makeup. Here, just so you know I'm legit, there's if you send me like a text or an email, I'll send you a copy of it. All right, so give me a good look here, hon. Here we go. Okay, hang on. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna take a couple more. This is what they call a street photographer camera, so kind of discreet, but I try not to be creepy. So that's why I ask. Thank you so much. What does that say? Centerville, Ohio. Can I take your picture too? No? Okay. Well, see, that's why I ask. Thank you so much, ladies. Here. I'll shoot this way. There we go. Well, she was flying. I don't know if I got that or not. Let's see if I can get somebody walking by it. That would be cool. See if I can get this. It's kind of neat for what it is. I want to get this guy out of the shade, so I'm going to move over here. But I want this guy against the wall, so I'll move over here. Oh, reflection. Ah, damn it, missed that reflection. We'll go back up here. Because what I want to do is get somebody walking by here that I can get a reflection, like this guy. Let's see if I can do this. Oops. Keep forgetting to turn it off of snap focus. I keep forgetting to turning it off when I do the autofocus. When I take a portrait, then I got to flip back to the wow, we got some heavy brightness here. Not sure any of those came out, so I'm going to go over here and shoot into the sun now. Or shoot away from the building so we can get them into the sun.
No, Wheel Fortune. It was like it was a business.
I'm missing good shots of people though. Like this one. Boom. Okay, so I still got some. I think we need to go back this way. Nice, nice, here we go. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one today. We certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking things out. As always, we'll be back with more with the Ricoh GR III and all kinds of other cameras. So please make sure and subscribe. Please like the video. Leave a comment, whether you like it or not. Always helpful. Always try to respond to those. and makes it worth it to get out here when I hear your comments that your people look forward to these, or they like watching them. Maybe they're somewhere snowbound and all that good stuff. So I really appreciate those comments, and certainly keep them coming, and I'll keep the videos coming. All right, guys, until the next one, we'll see you. So long, everybody.